this here's a rubber duck. You got a copy on me, Big Ben? Come on. Oh, yeah, 10-4, Big Ben, for sure. By golly, it's clean clear to Flagtown. Come on. Yeah, it's a big 10-4 there, Big Ben. Yeah, we definitely got the front door, good buddy. Mercy sakes alive, looks like we've got us a convoy.
Ja, det er godt med dig, P.E. Og jeg tror, det godt, du kan finde ud med dig.
Det var så lige til kanten, den der var det.
Cab over Pete with a reefer on.
Ja, der er der noget for dig, Hjælp.
We was heading for Bear on I-10 about a mile out of Shaky Town.